Hello and welcome to the video training course on getting your product onto JVZoo's payment and affiliate program. This is video number 1, the introduction to JVZoo Funnel Mastery. Now, before we start this video training course, I want you to get into the right mindset. And that mindset is to stick with your decision to get through, put your product on JVZoo, and get this done. A lot of times it's very easy to backtrack on your decision while you go through any type of video course. You've chosen JVZoo, and then you've got your friend over there telling you about DigiResults or ClickBank. And what I want you to do is just to get your product onto JVZoo, set up an affiliate program, and then you will begin to see some results. And it's very easy to second guess your decision. And the bottom line is that JVZoo is constantly being updated with many different features, and their instant affiliate and JV payments are a big plus. So get it on there, just do it, and you'll see some results. Okay, so now what I want to do is just give you a quick overview of how everything works, all the steps that are involved in this video course, so that you understand how all the pieces of the puzzle fit together. If you understand that before you implement any type of system, then you will be able to implement it quicker and more efficiently. Okay, so this is video number 1, and video number 2, I'm going to show you a product vendor checklist. I'm going to go through everything that you're going to need to set your product up onto JVZoo. So if you have the stuff in hand beforehand, before you actually set up your JVZoo product, then it's going to make it a lot easier. In fact, a lot of times people will set up a product and get stuck on a certain point, and then they'll say, okay, I'll do that later. And then a day passes, and then a week passes, and a month passes. So I definitely want you to succeed. So I've created this course in a manner to help you do that. So video number 2, going to prepare you for that. Video number 3, we're going to talk about mapping out your sales funnel. You need to know what your sales funnel looks like. Do you have upsells? Do you have downsells? How complicated is it? How many upsells do you have? And so forth. So mapping out your sales funnel, understanding how the pieces of the puzzle really fit together, and how somebody goes from a prospect to a buyer and goes through your funnel and out of your funnel. So mapping out your sales funnel is important. In video number 4, we're going to talk about finalizing all of your pages. If you can finalize your sales page, your thank you page, and so forth, then you'll have everything in hand before you actually set up the product, which we talk about in video number 5, setting up your product onto JVZoo. So by this point, you've got everything you need to set everything up. So it's going to start to pick up the pace. You're going to start to see that everything will fall into place, and it's going to be faster. In video number 6, we're going to talk about how you can make a payment link with JVZoo and add that to your sales page. Video number 7, we're going to talk about uploading the initial pages that you've created, and you've added the payment links and everything like that. So we've uploaded everything. We can test it out, make sure that it works, and so forth. And video number 8 is the sales funnel. If you're not aware of JVZoo's brand new feature called sales funnels, they actually allow you to implement your own sales funnel, but you can actually see everything kind of like a mind map. So you can see your front end product, your upsell, downsell, and so forth. So it makes life easier. You can organize everything, and it just makes things quicker in terms of implementation. And I'll talk about a little bit about strategies and things like that in that specific video. Video number 9, we're going to talk about setting up JVs, profit sharing, tier 2, two-tier JV brokers. In other words, JVZoo has been set up in a way where if you have 2 or 3 partners, or even just 2 people running a business together, At the point of sale, JVZoo is an amazing system because it actually, let's say $10, somebody goes and buys your $10 product. And then an affiliate comes and then they get 50% of that. So $5 is paid out to the affiliate. And then 50% you get that and your partner. So it's 50 of that left over. So 50% of $5 is $2.50 each person. And the beauty of this is that everybody gets their share at the point of sale. So that is amazing in itself. And I'm going to show you how to set up all that, make sure that everything is up and running before you begin to launch it. And of course, last but not least, we've got the affiliate program in video number 10 and how to set up your own affiliate contest. Having an affiliate program in itself is almost good enough, but having an affiliate contest that can really boost your affiliate program is definitely a plus. And we'll talk more about that in that specific video. So now you know how all the pieces of the puzzle fit together. Let's talk about the tools that you're going to need. Now keep in mind that the condition is that you're going to have your own website and your domain and web hosting. So I'm going to automatically assume that you already have set up your website. You already have your product files, you've already zipped your files, you already have your videos, your content files, whatever that might be in hand. So I'm going to assume that you already have this information. And from that point, I'm going to show you how to take that and put it on to JVZoo. You're also going to need a sales page and a thank you page. You're going to need to have access to an FTP program to upload your files to your website. And in this case, we're going to be using FileZilla software. We're going to be using a program called Composer, which is a HTML web editing tool, which will allow you to edit your sales page and your thank you page. And then of course, you're going to need PayPal. In order to use JVZoo, you must have PayPal. If you don't have PayPal, then you cannot use JVZoo because JVZoo pays through PayPal. And you do need a PayPal business account. And also optional, you would like to have affiliate banners and affiliate prizes for your affiliate program and affiliate contests. Now, if you don't have these items, I will show you where to go to create these affiliate banners and so forth. And of course, a little patience. So with that said, let's move on to video number 2. And let me show you exactly what you need in terms of a product checklist. You gather all these items so that you're ready to implement everything onto the JVZoo platform.